Well, hello guys, long time no see. It hasn't been that long ago. I think it maybe was last night or the night before that with my dearest Caleb. Anyhow, so last night, Unknown, mind blowing. I absolutely loved the movie. I thought it was an awesome action-packed movie. If you guys like action movies, I highly recommend The Unknown. For you that don't know what movie that is, it's basically about this guy that gets in an accident and he's in a coma. And he wakes up and his wife doesn't know him. His identity, he's not who he thinks he is, and he is trying to prove that he is who he is. And it's just crazy. There were so many twist points in there that I did not see coming in any shape or form. Check it out. But I just want to quick make a short video on The Unknown. I know there's lots of awesome movies coming up. I don't know about you guys, but I am super stoked for The Green Lantern. I mean, come on. It's going to be awesome. So, we have to wait a long time for that one. But when that one comes out, I'll be sure to get a review on that one too. But anywho, about The Unknown, check it out. Peace out, Girl Scout.